Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add your Amazon wish list to TikTok. This is a great way to share your favorite products with your followers and make it easy for them to support you or find gift ideas. If you want to streamline your workflow and save money on subscriptions, check out the link in my description. To get started, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. After you're signed in, move your mouse up to the top right corner where you'll see Account and Lists. Hover over this option and a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, select Wishlist. This will take you to your Amazon wishlist page where all your saved items are stored. Now that you're on your wishlist page, look toward the upper right area and you'll see a button labeled Share. Click on that Share button to access the sharing options for your wishlist. This is how you'll generate a link that you can add to your TikTok profile. Next, you'll see an option that says View Only. Click on this option. By selecting View Only, you're creating a link that allows others to see your wish list without being able to make any changes to it. This keeps your list secure while still making it accessible to your TikTok followers. After selecting View Only, click Copy Link. This will save the wishlist URL to your clipboard, making it ready to paste into your TikTok profile in just a moment. Now open a new tab in your web browser and navigate to TikTok.com. Once the page loads, log into your account. After you're logged in, you'll need to head over to your profile. You can do this by clicking on your profile icon, which is usually located in the top right corner of the screen or in the navigation menu. Once you're on your profile page, look for the Edit Profile button and click on it. This will open up the settings where you can customize your profile information and add links. Here's where things differ slightly depending on your account type. If you're using a business account, you'll see a field labeled Website. This is where you'll paste your Amazon wishlist link. Simply click into that field and paste the link you copied earlier. If you don't have a business account, don't worry. You can still add your Amazon wishlist by pasting the link directly into your bio section. Just click into the bio text area and paste the link there. This way, your followers will still be able to access your wishlist when they visit your profile. Once you've pasted the link in the appropriate location, click Save to update your profile. Your changes will be applied immediately and your Amazon wishlist will now be accessible to anyone who visits your TikTok profile. And there you have it. Your Amazon wishlist is now connected to your TikTok account, making it easy for your followers to find and support you. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.